Hi crafters, Sylvia here with Keep It Simple Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you a booklet I made using Graphic 45 paper. Graphic 45 has a lot of kits that you can purchase, and they have journaling kits and card kits and tag kits and all sorts of things. This one just happens to be the journaling kit. And they all come with different things. Some of them come with 12 by 12 papers, some of them come with 8 by 8 papers. They all include stickers and chipboards and some other kind of ephemera that you can use to decorate. This kit came with the 12 by 12 papers, and each sheet was devoted to a particular month, like January, and January had its own cut apart page. And every month was like that, its own sheet and its own cut apart, its own sheet and its own cut apart. And on the cut aparts you have tags and journaling cards and all sorts of stuff that you can use to decorate with. They also included this packet of flowers. These are paper flowers that are already pre-cut with some green. You can stack them, you can color them, you can do all sorts of things and make some really pretty flowers. And there are butterflies and dragonflies and all sorts of things in here to decorate. This right now packet is everything that's left over from when I made the journal, and I'm sending it to my granddaughter so she can use it to decorate whatever she puts in the journal. Also, they include instructions on how to make the journal. And they're very detailed instructions. They're excellent instructions. And they also have a video that's associated with making the journal that they showcase. However, I don't follow the directions. This is what I made. This is the journal for my granddaughter. These are all Graphic 45 flower kits that you can purchase. They come from some kind of paper flower kit, but Graphic 45 sells them on their website. This is one of the little flowers I made using this kit right here. And then these are some of the stickers. And then here's the spine. And then here's the back page. And I glued this ribbon down because it's going to get quite thick. And so she's going to need something to hold it together. As you can see right now, this is how thick it is, and all I did was decorate the pages. Every month has 3 pages in this album, except for January and December. They have one extra, which is the front and back cover. So, and then you just, use the papers accordingly. So for January, this is January's paper. And they all come with a month cut apart. And they all come with these types of journaling cut aparts. Now I folded them to make like a little booklet so you could put pictures in or whatever Katie wants to put in it. And then I made a little pocket so this just slips in here. And then using the tags, I just made some flip ups. And then here's one of the little cut aparts. And then this is another cut apart, and I made a flip flop. And here's the tags, the other tags. Some more of the words that you can cut apart. Every month comes with 3 pages, and one of the pages has got a pocket. And this pocket forms the page of the next month, and then you have this pull-out tag. Graphic 45 included these tags in this packet, and they're the heavy-duty craft paper. And they also sell a die that cuts paper that fits the tags that they sell. This is one of the square tags. They have a real long, like a slimline tag, and then they have another size tag. And they have dies that will cut them and fit them perfectly. As you can see, that fits just perfectly and cuts the hole and everything. And because I use so much paper for like January and stuff, I didn't have enough to cover the tag, so I just used one of the cut aparts. So that's for January, and then that's for February. And they all come here, and you just slip it in. So here's for February. Here's the pocket that came with the album. Here's all the tags. I used the month strip. folded the two journaling cards together, and then did a flip-flop. One of the little cut-aparts. Here's March. March, we're getting into spring. I made a pocket because I like lots of pockets. We'll use one of the little stamps. Here's the tags. This is the journaling card. And then I'll flip down some more of the cut-aparts. For the month banner, I made a separate little pocket so that these tags could go in. And here's the tags. And then here's the pocket that is part of the journal. And all my papers I cut, and I tried to line them up when I glued them on the pocket page. And then here's the cut apart and the cut apart. I love cut aparts. And then here's the tag for March, and then this will be April. Getting into Easter, and see how I lined that up? And here's the tags. Isn't that pretty? Love the colors in this. And then April. And then those little tags. I did a little flip-flop. And this is the end of April. More tags. And here comes May. Once again, I used the month banner for a little pocket. Here's two of the tags and one of the journaling cards. Instead of cutting the stamps apart, I just put it as a strip and then put these two journaling cards in here. They pull out. And then in the pocket, I have the rest of the tags and the other journaling card. And then here's the pull-out tag. And then that'll be for June. And then here's June. Here's the tags, the journaling card, and then the other journaling card, I just folded it in threes. And then I put one of the cut-aparts on for a little tab, and here's the flip down. And that rolls pretty. And here's the end of June. And then here's July. I used the banner for a slip through. Here's the two journaling cards. A flip-flop and a flip-flop. And then the pocket, and I put all of the tags that you cut apart in the pocket. And then here's the pull-out, and then this will be for August. For the month of August, I kept the pages full. I didn't fold them. I glued it separate so you could actually put some little things down in here if you wanted to put like one of the chipboards or something that came with it. And then I made a flip up for her. Using all of the tags for that month. And then here's the little journaling cards. I did the same thing. And then here's September. We go back to school in September. Another one of the journaling cards. And so for September, I decided I'm going to make a little book. So I took a piece of paper, cut apart one of the word tags, And using the tags that were part of the cut apart, I put them together in a little booklet. After all, you are going back to school and you need your books. And then here's the pocket. And once again, you see how I lined up the papers. And here's one of the journaling cards. And on this journaling card, I did not cut off the September. I just thought it looked so pretty with the apples. I just wanted to keep it. And then here's the September tag pullout, and this is for October. Here's October. And you notice the ribbons, I tried, this is purple. It's coming through kind of blue, but it's definitely purple. And tried to stay with the themes. So here's all of the tags for October. And then once again, I left October's journaling card. I didn't fold it. And then on this page, see how I lined everything up? Isn't that cute? And then another flip-flop. I made another pocket out of the month. Pretty colors in here. And then this, I took a strip of paper and folded it to make a little booklet, and I used the stamps to pull out. Isn't that cute? And then it just fits right in there. And now we're in November. All the pretty fall colors. Here's one of the tags. I made a tag because I had some extra paper left over. Here's the tags and a journaling card. And then for I used the month banner, made another slip through and folded one of the journaling cards. And I had some extra paper left over, and I thought the paper was so pretty, I'll just make another one so she can put more pictures on. And then the pocket page. Another tag. Here's another the journaling card that goes for November, and one of those. And then the pull out for November. On each page, they've got, you know, on the 12 by 12 sheet of paper, they got this big long strip, and it's got words. And so I cut the word thing off. It says, autumn tree, every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from. I thought that was so pretty. And then this will be for December. And here's December, December's pocket, the tags, journaling card, little flip up, another flip, the banner, month banner, the journaling card folded in threes, folded it like this so you can see December, and another little flip up, and the back. And there you have it. And then she can just tie this together, hold it all together, because like I said, it's going to be really full. So, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now.